Hello everyone. U-Andile Mxotama, who is the leader of Black First, Land First, who was once a member of the EFF, has called out Rob Hersov in his podcast. He has exposed the shady dealings of Rob Hersov and his intentions in the political game. So now, who is Rob Hersov?
As we die a death of 1,000 cuts.
Andile called the billionaire a nasty piece of work who has a mining background and said the man is very wealthy, and exposed the secret meetings he had with the EFF leader Julius Malema back in 2015. He said he made sure that he went to London to meet other elite people who run the Africa, and believes that Malema came back as a changed man, and he was allegedly given money. Even the nationalization that he's singing about is just a song to lure people to vote for him, but deep down he knows that no nationalization of anything will happen in South Africa because this country is run by capitalists. He said the billionaire is arrogant because the current president Cyril Ramaphosa failed to complete the mission of removing Jacob Zuma and the radical transformation that is still making noise, and Rob is working hard to cancel it. He said he's going to stop fund Ramaphosa because he's a spineless president who can't do anything. He also said that the man is so arrogant and a thug because he has planned out everything. He has his own preferred cabinet that will run in 2024 after elections if all goes well according to his plan. He also exposed that Rob is funding the likes of Herman Mashaba, the Action SA party, and the party of Mmusi Maimane, the new party that was recently launched by Maimane. And his mission is to use immigration ticket to control the country and make Black Africans to fight amongst each other, and wants the people to forget the real crisis of this country that is caused by government. Andile also made people aware that Nhlanhla Lux and Gaten Mackenzie are friends with Rob, and said that alone should raise an alarm to people. He also exposed shady dealings of Rob Hersov. He said his outside businesses were found guilty of money laundering, and the man is very corrupt. He'll do anything to any person who is standing in his way, and mentioned a certain municipality that there were officials from that municipality that didn't agree with him on his development projects. He then threatened those municipal officials. He stated that our government must be very careful because he wants to end this triple BE thing and also put an end to ANC, and also including radical transformation. Andile also mentioned the issue of airports and said the man is busy active trying to buy out the regional airports. His aim is to smuggle our mineral resources such as diamonds to other countries, and who knows, they might even smuggle guns should any conflict happen. Just like the Oppenheimers, who are owning their own airport in OR Tambo, and then called South Africans to wake up and stop the plan that Rob is trying to do. So in my understanding, according to U-Andile Mxotama, every party in South Africa currently is on the payroll of these billionaires. He has mentioned the likes of Rupert's, the Oppenheimers, the Hersovs, and so forth. So who's paying his party to expose this? Is there any person who's funding his party, or he's speaking like this because he hasn't got any fundings from these billionaires? And also, what will be the plan to stop Rob Hersov if he strongly believes that Rob is on a mission to make sure billionaires control the country? ANC has failed the people, and they are not even apologetic. Why can't we play the game with these capitalists? Teach our learners or students, even ordinary citizens, to become independent and not rely on government for work opportunities. Share your views on this one. Do you agree with Andile Mxotama or with Rob Hersov's plan? What procedure can be taken to lift up the economy of South Africa? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.